Students, today we have already done the Niti Aayog. Today I am sending you PPTs of Niti Aayog and National Development Council. Okay. First of all, we are doing Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog, the Niti Aayog, Hindi for Policy Commission, abbreviation for National Institute for Transforming India, is a policy think tank of the Government of India established with the aim of achieve sustainable development goals with cooperative federalism by fostering the involvement of state government of India in the economic policy making process using a bottom up approach. It means Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog means full form National Institute for Transforming India, and this institution is the successor of Planning Commission, and the main aim of Planning Commission was to make plan for was to make policies for India. After independence, a planning commission based on socialist model. It means when after independence, when planning was started in 1950, then a planning commission was set up in 1950, and the pattern that was adopted was socialist model. Socialist model, it means that was based on equality, that was based on for society, welfare of the people. But in the era of globalization, especially in 21st century, it was becoming ineffective and irrelevant because everything needs changes. So, in planning commission, and, and there was also a need for change in planning commission. The Niti Aayog, okay. During on 15th August 2014, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that now the Planning Commission is abolished and a Niti Aayog was constituted in place of Planning Commission on 1st January 9, 2015. And the main objective of the Niti Aayog was to provide the necessary and technical advice to the Union government regarding policy making at the center and state level. Members. First of all, the Prime Minister is the head of the organization, is the head of the Niti Aayog. The first vice chairperson of Niti Aayog was Arvind Garve. Presently, Niti Aayog consists Vice Chairperson Rajiv Kumar, ex officio member Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh and Nirmala Sitharaman and Narendra Singh Tomar. Special invitees Nitin Gadkari, Piyush Goyal, Tawarchand Gehlot and Rao Inderjeet. Full-time members V.K. Saraswat, Ramesh Chand and Vinod Paul. Governing councils, all chief ministers of states, Lieutenant Governor of Andaman Nicobar Island and special invitees. Niti Aayog established in 2015 by NDA government. Okay, and in this all the chief minister of the state included in this Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog, its initiative including 15-year roadmap, 7-year vision strategy and action plan, Amrut Digital India, Atal Innovation Mission, medical education reforms, agriculture reform, reforms of the Agricultural Produce Marketing Committee Act, agriculture marketing and farming reform, index for ranking states, indices measuring states' performance in health, education, and water management. These are, you can say that these are the initiative taken by the Niti Aayog. Okay, the Niti Aayog objectives. First, we have done this, but I am providing you just for the your notes. Okay. So, to evolve a shared vision of national development priorities, sector and strategy, to foster cooperative federalism through structured support, initiative and mechanism, to develop mechanism to formulate credible plans at the village level, to pay special attention to the section of our society, and to design strategic and long-term policies, to provide advice and encourage partnership, to create a knowledge, innovation and entrepreneurial support system, and to offer a platform for resolution of intersectoral and interdepartmental issues. Niti Aayog function to harmonize the interest of national security and economic policy and to prepare strategic and long-term framework of policy and program. Niti Aayog acts as a think tank of union government by adopting a bottom-up approach, and the Niti Aayog act in the spirit of cooperative federalism as it ensures equal participation of all the states in the country. It means it makes economic policies for all the states, and it adopted the bottom-up approach. Bottom-up approach means down to up, okay, and it means all the sections of the society. And Niti Aayog act in the spirit of cooperative federalism. Cooperative federalism means center and state will work together. Lectures. Niti Aayog has started a new initiative on the advice of Prime Minister Narendra Modi called Niti Lectures, Transforming India. The name of this initiative is to invite globally reputed policymakers, experts, administrators to India to share their knowledge, expertise, and experience in the policy making and good governance with Indian counterpart. It means Niti lectures means by this the expert and the policy makers and the administrator can give their views on different topics. Okay, this initiative will be a series of lectures started with first lecture delivered by Deputy Prime Minister of Singapore, Mr. Tharman Shanmugaratnam. He delivered lecture on the subject called India and the Global Economy at Vigyan Bhavan, New India. Clear? The Prime Minister spoke about the idea behind this lecture series and stated that his vision for India is rapid transformation, not gradual evolution. It means Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, wanted a rapid change in the economy of India, not a slow change. Okay, so this is a Niti Aayog, and we have already done it notes also, but I am sending this for you so that you can learn it easily for your 1 mark question, for your 3 marks question, and okay.